Yan had ye be kakra wa ha say. Ya kasi ya rank top coaches aba wiase afa na nyina na wo di Carlo Ancelotti beto yen.
Oh, meba o cheche memuye. Ya rank top coaches. Eba all the club level na coaches ni nyina.
On se coaches ankasa de wo bra wa ba bebo no. E wo career mu no dwumadi aba be di no.
That all the more ye dwuma national teams. You will be obubu dwuma the club level. You will be out checking the success at club level nko. Every say you see you can success at club level. But what other coaches so abane the international football winner national teams no ebi muzu di oma ye dwuma ne ade ntime pa cho boa me kakra
on say we are say international e ka say top 3 coaches in the world ye hu ni na ebi mbaji atum say no coaches bi say Guardiola mo Jose mo omo level ni omo ma fam no e put them there Arrigo Sacchi we be ka so be put in that particular level barabu see at the Gina club level, company kasi top coaches so maba wiase afana nyina so omo ne bomabo at the club level. Abu, I think Carlo Ancelotti is making a very very good case ahead of some coaches be abo mudin wo kromasi bebre. Ahead of every single one of them abo.
Ancelotti.
Yes. And we're winning the 35th game.
Yes.
In 47 UEFA Champions League games for Real Madrid. Now, you look at that particular number now. If we are suffering, not even a single coach in the team has such wins for a single club at some point in time. Abu not only talking about wins now when it comes to the trophies now with the Champions League, no more Abu, I don't think there is any other manager that have won the UEFA Champions League more than Carlo Ancelotti. Even coming in from as a player. Coach, I think at the club level, Carlo Ancelotti SOMPA Sports or Bromodo, and then so I main rank me top 3 coaches at the club level. Historically, Abu Dhabi, I think Carlo Ancelotti be top 3 the level ne there. Abu Carlo Ancelotti will be there.
I don't know be place in way.
Me top 3 no Carlo Ancelotti Abu
one. On the very first.
On the very first.
Number 1. Yeah, no, number 2 you mind.
No.
Number 2
Number 2 me fa Sales Ferguson.
Number 2. Na number 3 wa fa.
Number 3 me fa Jose Mourinho.
First 3 coaches are Europe mo ye djuma Pep nkan.
No, me fa Pep.
Obama mi nchemu kakra na.
Me fa Pep.
Then I'm off Ancelotti first.
Ancelotti, the dominance in the UEFA Champions League, know how he has stamped his authority on the competition, because in Europe, no single competition is greater than this.
Oh, okay.
No single competition is greater than the UEFA. No.
Oh, okay.
No single competition. And Shebebia will free bar with the clubs now they imagine the UEFA Champions League. From AC Milan to Real Madrid. Real Madrid now was in the crown was as a player crown was also J. And a coach in the class, and normally you don't even get players are mababo na jibida mabe coaches come we dominant.
So I don't know no ba first.
O demu sonko.
Na Ferguson so there na man.
Ferguson so see domestic titles.
I don't know man ba second. But that is all do nkomo zizi no catch me say.
And the Champions League the Ferguson na G2.
Wa G2. T Ferguson UCL 2 na waje no.
Plus the domestic titles now waje in one of the top European.
Meba. What's them no kana meet you pa. They na ma meet you ne say. Oh. Meba. Also wa G2. Boni yo see the any na mood. This is two. And I use apart from Champions League no cralo or Europa League be shall see baby.
Just say Europa League.
And also UEFA Conference League. Several years since European competition. There are these are Aberdeen.
Cup Winners' Cup and the UEFA Super Cup. Aberdeen. Cup Winners' Cup.
Tiano yo see the no the na mood.
Abu, I'll pick Sales Ferguson
ahead of Yose.
Yes. And I just say the end so the entity of Bell Muni Gina. Masa just say I didn't know the port a year in 2003 2004.
Yeah.
Abu need your D in Tamaland be you know. Obeka said na Pep Guardiola because of the style and those things. Oh yes, Pep Guardiola is a fantastic coach. Abu Dhabi. Say Basa Bia will be near Juma with team. Pep Guardiola is a fantastic coach. But I've always maintained that particular 2003-2004 achievement of Jose Mourinho, Abu, is the peak of a lot of things. Especially when he also came to Chelsea in the Jumedi Ubedi or the Koya Kopi Mo Inter Milan Sasokoya Juma Fufro. And you would understand the impact of this particular Jose Mourinho in European competition, especially per that standard. Also before that, not the Europa League. before the Champions League in 2003-2004, not the Porto Aje, the Europa League, the year before. I know the Ombeji the Champions League. And the Chassis Sufi Old Trafford. That 2003-2004 Champions League, you know. Ukoshima said the clubs and they will never the level of. And now Real Madrid and Manchester United bought 4-3 bills, 4-2. Ronaldo de Lima by Old Trafford. Yeah. So look at the standard and the quality of players in a particular tournament. Never be the Porto free by the Porto.
Akomeah nuntina nanka me say me de enkombranya Ferguson no.
Me Ferguson the need to obemuno. It is not easy to have a coach win Champions League, win the Premier League, and win the FA Cup in one season.
And on a man in a buy.
Abu.
Akomeah.
Now it doesn't worry
because Inter Milan or Koyezi Jumani Bio. And apart from no me no, the be of the money and one crack and me pese. Obaja with is Maza. Porto di omoji we le ya no dey ji we has had that be the next season no. Bishop
or the European trophies ni me for Porto back to back.
So I don't money Benja Ferguson.
Again back to back
still money Benja Ferguson.
50 years. 50. Just a modern day club.
But almost 50 years.
No money league title that 50. No money league trophy. 50 years yeah that club. Amada 50 years.
Near
the umba line.
50 years. What do umba line?
Na Inter Champions League no for how many years no mako?
Una chera. Come here. Still Ferguson bebeja. Come here still Ferguson bebeja yosi.
Yes.
And if you all club Manchester United na edu baby na edion trophies in the number but ono na somebody mo babeji Europa.
Abu. Talking about Ferguson impact on your name. This particular UEFA Champions League. Oh, Manchester United. I still.
Bishop Manen Kanase. Meet you. SOMPA meet you. Yeko.
Bishop Manen Kasana.
Pacho Mamen Akomeah Yeko.
Abu. So definitely, me ranking these coaches are Ancelotti, Ferguson, Jose Mourinho, and I place Ferguson there because of one way or the other. Even Enyoma or yeah at the top level with Manchester United from the league into the UEFA Champions League and get it because OJ once they all can't say no seen Chelsea in the league for how many years?
50 years.
50 years. Must to be dominant even in England for top league. Once they cut top 3 leagues are England count bar 52. Now to be dominant in that league for 13 Premier League titles, which made it to us 1, 2, 3. And not to even think about even winning the treble in the EPL. Abu EPL now say Bo League. I know the talent standard is there, but I believe the level of competition in the EPL, need the intensity, need what goes on in that particular competition comes into win trouble with it. Abu no. Especially with the kind of players or Sasso Diomoje that particular Champions League in terms of the treble that season.
Kind of players
are they players normal day? No more for man.
No more money from. It will be to me the Yamfa Bibi Antonio, will be to me the Terry Sheham. Atutu Samueleto.
Because at that time Samueleto wasn't in his prime.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Meba.
So you compare Samueleto and Diego Milito to Dwight York and the coach.
Yeah.
These were the starters.
We always Sarah Cabaret Dwight York, Robert the Kudinari. Samueleto ni Diego
Milito.
Yeah, for
the only person
and the coach Dwight York.
All things aside, and the coach had his share, but to compare Dwight York to even Samueleto, I don't want to disrespect Samueleto.
Yeah.
Charlie Samueleto no man here with Europe no. Even at Inter Milan, he was the reason at some point in time the team had to win the Champions League.
Milito was the main guy. You all saw it. Yes.
Now Milito budget too.
Milito was the main guy.
And even crowd is Schneider Crano.
You might talk about goal scoring. Milito was scoring the goals, but one of the most important players within the setup. Milito no menya Samueleto.
Hey, Akomeah.
You could even remember when Jose made reference to the importance of Eto.
Yeah.
Say Eto there the Ukraine Eto Kranko what Eto was playing.
Meba. So Inter Milan that almost set up no more the Champions League. Me. Diego Milito. Me we see Schneider. And if you grab job, me Lucio crowd.
Me set him no.
Lucio that set up no.
Me set him no. Me this Argentinian guy defender leader.
Zanetti.
Maybe Zanetti.
He was on his way down.
Yes, I don't know about
Abu. You might talk about he was on his way down, but the influence of Zanetti in that particular team for
the influence of Ronnie Johnson in that Manchester United team, you have no idea.
And what do we do that to a channel is the
no me say the influence of Johnson the influence of Yabstam
a channel is the net
no let me tell you in no comparable terms
okay
that team normally share by Munich no in England it was the best
team normally share by
look Memo be another
in England it was the best
it was the best but so why are you trying to make it look like underdogs be
no
underdogs be
so they said it was the best in Italy.
That is the reason why they are the best so Jose Mourinho's achievement can't be downplayed with players now
nobody is downplaying Jose Mourinho's achievement
nobody Postcodes no nobody
maybe program Akomeah me back Akomeah Akomeah issue nene say me asa na on convince me the tia fegesi beja yo say or etwe bra 2003 2004 na report to team no quality ne wo ho na fa compare wo team na o kan 179 no so other na wo coach no o consider say yo say no dey why na also beja fegi maybe problem na no about a report to
Jose finance awabo.
Yeah.
Jose finance awabo. Jose bought final in the UEFA Champions League 2002-2004. You know say Europa League obeji. And by the next final Jose Beboye was in 2009-2010 with Inter Milan. Aside that in the final baby. What did I mention as no? Fergie in 1999 final.
Yeah.
In 2007-2008 final meboa. 2008-2009 final meboa. 2011 final meboa.
So you know no cabo European final no mabodo do say yeah boa me
99
yeah
07-08 2 08-09 3 11 4
yeah now the compare you as well
Jose 03-04
yeah
1 for the Champions League then 2009-2010
so the intermediate 2 so no na original so no dey no so original
yes
okay but teams now no more involved in teams no Porto ni Inter no
that is why I'm not downplaying Jose Mo me keka that can keep me the Pep Guardiola ba be top 3 in my head because also the Champions League 2
yeah
what did they mention as no but because of Porto and Inter Milan me Porto per se no cry no Porto per se no and the Mamadi Jose Mo no run to the top 3
but still beat Ferguson
no
Akomeah no about them coaches now come once in our pedigree
Abu
to say Carlo Ancelotti already records ni UC awaje
and apart from 2003 final
or another final they wako final yeah
baby then you have Ferguson there then Jose Mourinho comes in
and there's a movie from Zorgi Trophy to final to do Mako
Abu trophy
maybe I'm can call them say Ayaba. Come on, I didn't interested pa.
Oh yes, because you see, there are a lot of talks about the impact of some coaches. The impact. Me Don Carlo Ancelotti or Abu Dhabi. He's one particular coach. She said, "Me sheni din na me hwe jume din na odi na." I just I say we create a certain level of standard before most of the European coaches. Eddie says our benchmark and you could definitely get across it. And then I'm sure at the touchline, how I know manage game no fast we need the game against Chelsea. The first 10 minutes of the game, not Chelsea beat Mashiku. One relax it, one shaky. But look at how he sets up the team and the way almost sitting your results. There's a reason Brazil is so much interested in getting him.
Onimejuma.
Itiabu. He stays there.
Europa no kick one me. Sebia Man United.
And Ojambe I can have some Jose Mourinho. Ese kusha not for the third time. Conference League na no babeje no. Team ben Ojambe na za no je.
As all the final for na.
Fair no.
Team nenaze.
Abu and it's interesting to really know the pathway for AS Roma for Jose Mourinho in this particular kind of competition. Ojami impressing me most of the time when it comes to say offer these teams and no build up on them and making sure so beat me the achieve results. Ojami wins the Europa League and then he comes into the Champions League with that particular slot. But a baby say one question say among teams near woman na no can one kind of TP Roma so beat the Europa League. And some more Petes Kesia Bakopa, one of the most informed teams in the Europa League, Feyenoord. And in the league they are doing so well, and in the Europa League they are doing so well. Atta Poku striker na Eminezo say plus Kuku. These are guys who are leading the team.
Today expected they say
Abu ewa away. Feyenoord will squeeze something out of this particular game. But so Jose Mourinho be qualify with Stadio Olimpico.
Quick one, United Sevilla.
Manchester United. Asia Sevilla a team I won't share.
Ebe saying
Abu at Old Trafford, Manchester United be Sevilla.
Mate, me da say. Yo.